Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This morning, Max and I are out on an adventure at the Blyde River Canyon. So we came in to the resort and we just at the river now. We spotting for finfoot, otters, and then possibility of mountain wagtail as well. But we're going to go into the waterfall and possibly look for some other specials as well. So let's see what we get the rest of the day. So first lifer for the morning, we got a mountain wagtail down in the river here. He was just along the rocks, but you won't be able to see him with this camera, but I can still spot him. So 556 new lifer, good way to start the morning. Max, how far is this rock?
900 meters.
Oh, it's not too far. Blue mantled?
No, they're paradise.
No, I'm saying you get them here.
Oh, maybe. I've never seen them here, but
Oh, okay.
why not? Well, they're both cuckoos, just chasing the other one away.
Possible. He's very close.
Yeah. Hopefully it sits high up somewhere. tiny bit in this direction.
So now only the true one has eluded us. I'm just talking to the camera. We've heard him a couple of times. Yeah. So now he's just tracking one down and trying to get a shot.
Oh, we saw one that flew off.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a crowned eagle this good?
Crowned eagle, not that close. I've seen them high soaring and then they make that call
Oh yeah.
like a baby crying almost. So then you pick
Oh,
them.
just the sound that he was making.
Yeah,
just
he
now.
was, yeah. Yeah. So we ended up getting the Trogon, but not the best shots, but some shots at least, which is great. Mission accomplished. He's still calling, so Max is trying to see where he is. This short walk is quite productive, eh?
Yeah, that is.
Very productive.
Especially also even during the winter when you get some flocks and stuff like that.
Flocks off?
Of birds.
Yeah, like which birds? Oh, they gather together. So in the excitement of the morning, I forgot to record an outro, but all in all, a very productive walk at the Swadini Resort up to the waterfall. Short hike, but produced some very special birds. So I'd highly recommend it when the hike is open, and I'll catch you on the next video.